Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Jupiter. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and make sure that the Phantom Wallet extension is installed on it. Once you have got the Phantom Wallet extension, click on the wallet at the top and then a pop-up will open up. Inside it, click on the Understood button and your wallet dashboard will be displayed. Here, click on this Earth icon at bottom right corner and then select Jupiter. Once you click on it, a new window will open up and the official Jupiter website will be launched. Now click on the You're Paying menu and select Solana. Similarly, click on the To Receive menu and select Jupiter from inside of it. After that, click on the Phantom Wallet icon, hover your cursor over the account heading and copy the Solana address. Once done, enter the amount and then click on this Connect Wallet button to connect it with the Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.